Hi everybody, welcome to week 8 of our class which runs from Wednesday, April 3rd to Tuesday, April 9th. Alright, now we're going to start getting into hypothesis testing, where now we're going to look at the means test, do a study where you're going to compare the difference, statistically means difference, between two groups. Normally it's called a t-test, and you'll be learning more about that this week. Again, just to let you know, from Wednesday, April 10th, Thursday, April 11th, I'll be off my computer. I'll be Amtrakking out to Chicago for my granddaughter's 11th birthday, and from April 22nd to April 3rd, to April 23rd, I'll be back on Amtrak, going back to home in Southern Maryland. Alright, so I'll be doing some traveling, but I'll have my laptop computer with me, so I'm not going to forget you guys. Alright, I think you guys know, by this time you know the help desk, my profile. There's no discussion this week, no discussion, but if you have a question about the assignment, again, put them in the Ask the Professor folder. But if you need help with the statistical part, please use the statistical tutors. I think by this time you should know, you are already familiar with them. Alright, again, you have a 9-week assignment. It's the critical review assignment, and we'll go more into that. By this time you should be finished writing, and now you're in the proofreading stage, and it's all due April 16th, and no due date extension. This was a 9-week assignment. If you want to turn it in, here's some information. Go ahead, but it's not required. Alright, your only assignment this week, besides working on your critical review assignment, is quiz 8. Alright, let's go to class. Alright, guys, week 8 are already up here. Again, like I've been suggesting, start at the top, work your way down. I believe this is my PowerPoint. I suggest you listen to Dr. Brune's Zoom presentation that she did. Very good. And so that's week 8. Let's go to week 9, see if I can find it. Here we go. Again, scroll down to the bottom. All your information you need about the critical review assignment is there. For instance, this is your article. Make that a little bit bigger. Again, by this time you should already have read this article, and you are finishing your paper. So that's your article there. Over here. These are your directions. Again, for the critical review assignment, there are two main sections. The summary should be about a page and a half, and the critique of the article. And again, all this is you expressing your views about the research article, whether the researcher did an adequate job. Simple as that. And here are questions that you're going to have to answer. They're yes and no questions, but you need examples from the article to support your view. That's it. That's it. Support your view. Back when I was a graduate student, there was a period for like 6 weeks. We had to do one article a week. We had to critique it. It was fun. I enjoyed it. Hopefully you will have also enjoyed this assignment. So these are the various sections. Here's your writing requirements. Make sure, this is very important. No quotes. No, do paraphrase. Do not quote from the article. Paraphrase. You should be able, in your own words, tell whatever you are saying. Usually people who use quotes, a lot of times they forget to explain the quote, and a lot of times they use quotes because they probably don't understand what they're reading. And again, it's 5 to 8 pages. This does not include the title page or any reference section. Make sure your grammar is all checked and everything. You guys know that. Here's your APA writing style headings. Make sure it's double space and 12 point times Roman numeral. Alright, let's get rid of that. If you have a question about the assignment, put them in the Ask the Professor folder. And let's bring this one up. Here's your template. The university gave you already a template so you can do your writing. All you have to do is just fill in the blanks and everything. You have your headings. Stay with these headings and so forth. So this will help you with the scoring on the APA style. Just make sure you use this template with all of the headings. If you have a question about it, put them in the Ask the Professor folder. And let's bring this up. Here's the rubric which I will be using to grade. So here's your APA right there. So if you use those headings and everything, you can get 20 points just on that alone. And make sure you use the spell check for your grammar and so forth. I consider these first two categories, length and style and presentation writing, as interlocking. They work together. Here's your summary, 30 points, and your analysis, 30 points. Very important. Alright, there's your rubric. Alright, let's go back here. I'm scrolling up. Quiz 8 is your only assignment this week besides working on the critical review assignment. Alright, which is due April 16th critical review assignment. Again, I'll be away, but I'll have my laptop with me. And this week we're working more on hypothesis testing between two groups. Alright, that's about all I have to say. This is Dr. Chasen, signing off.